What's up, YouTubers? UC Blake back again for another Trackmaster Revolution on Trackmaster 2 unboxing review. And first, right in here we have Steelworks Hurricane. So this engine was featured in the new movie Journey Beyond Sodor. And it was a very good movie. I saw it on YouTube a couple weeks ago. And it's not a bad movie. I quite like it. Hurricane works at the Steelworks with Frankie, which was another engine that worked there at the time, and they got a pretty catchy song, Hottest Place in Town. If you haven't heard it, go check it out. It's quite catchy. There's the other engines. I got Thomas and I got Merlin, but I wanted to start with Hurricane first. And there ran a railway series under it. So yeah, none looking too bad. So, yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox this, and I'm going to do it fast. Okay, so we got some instructions here. They're very big instructions. You can pause the video any time to have a quick read of that. It's all in different languages. And there's the back of the battery safety information. And the railway series service Fisher Price. And yeah, that's the usual instructions. So here we have Hurricane. So not looking too bad. Looks like it's got some ashes all over him. His boiler, his piston cylinder in there. There's his face there. He ended up, well, I reckon that Frankie was the most evilest one, well, the most demanding one out of all of them. And he was just there to, you know, hang around. Excuse me. But he ended up saving Thomas's life, and his wheels got melted due to the hot lava. So, yeah. One thing I did... oh, no, it's got him on there. He's got the number 20 on his buffers. I didn't see that before. I thought, no, he hasn't got that. No, not looking too bad. It's got nice detailing all around. Looks great. Even got the handrails painted. Looks very nice. And he's got these two, it must be the buckets of what they do in the Steelworks. They do rock side to side. And it's got traction rods here. I don't know what that rocks in side to side. It's got lava in there and it just spins around. Don't know what's ideal with that is. So, yep. And the other one's the same deal, just for the opposite colours. So yeah, and this one, this is front wheel geared, and it's your rear wheel, which is quite interesting. Oh, okay, look at the couplings here. Coupling looks a bit different. They don't have the usual grey ones. Quite interesting on that one. But yeah, so not too bad what Hurricane brings. Doesn't look bad at all. So we'll go ahead and pop batteries in him. Oh, hang on, we'll look at that here. 2013 Mattel. 2013 Thomas Limited. So yeah, not too bad. But if you haven't seen the movie, go check it out. It's supposed to be coming on DVD soon, but if you can't wait for the DVD, then have a look on YouTube. Some people have uploaded onto YouTube, which is good. So the whole shuttle itself reveals the usual drive unit. Good to see they've got a real red wheel there. Like my E10 video. He's only got a black fake wheel in the middle. So here we go, first test. Beautiful. That is not too bad at all. So running immediately. Beautiful. So I did buy this on eBay. Wasn't available where I lived in New Zealand, so I wasted no time. So I'll go ahead and file down Hurricane's activation tab, and we'll go give him and run with his friends, and I'll give him a first run. So be right back. Okay, so we got Hurricane coupled up to a small delivery, just 2 traps, because Trackmaster 2 doesn't like pulling a heavy load because they slip around. So he can pull these 2, so we'll stick to that. So here we go. Trackmaster 2, Steelworks Hurricane, first run, off we go. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. That is Trackmaster 2 Steelworks Hurricane. Still struggling a little bit because it's got a loaded load, but surely does run okay. Good detail in the engine. The ashes stands out a bit to me, and I think it looks excellent. So yeah, and there's Thomas carrying those lava buckets. I see one of them ain't rocking, because it did say on the box the bucket rocks, but you know, these ones, that one ain't actually rocking, so I might have to have a look at that. Otherwise, Hurricane looking excellent, carrying around now. So yeah, so that's me here. So don't forget to subscribe to join Black's Railway. Don't forget to hit that like button. Follow me on Twitter at YesToBlack2. And if you want to catch up on my life, you can follow my Instagram at BlackBro99. This is me here. Thanks for watching. Keep an eye on my channel for more reviews, and I'll catch you up for them. Bye for now.
It looks something like this.